Good morning, lovely students. I hope you all are enjoying this beautiful weather. So, let's start this beautiful morning with a thought. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you see, and smarter than you think. So, always have faith in yourself. So, with this spirit, let's start our today's class. Students, in our previous classes, we have compared the numbers to find out the greatest and the smallest numbers. In today's class, we will learn how to arrange the given set of numbers. We can arrange numbers in two ways, from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. When we arrange anything from smallest to biggest, then it is called ascending order or increasing order. As we can see in this picture, the flower pots are arranged in the increasing order of their height. That means, firstly we can see the smallest flower pot, and in the last we can see the largest flower pot. So we have arranged these flower pot in increasing order or ascending order. So what does ascending order means? Ascending order means arranging the numbers or arranging anything from smallest to biggest. Got it, everyone? So students, let's start with this example. In this example, we can see four numbers written on four strips, right? So first of all, let's read out these numbers. Let's read out first number, ones, tens, hundred. That means 237. On the next strip, 238. Next, 230. And the last number is 235. So, we have to arrange them in ascending order. Okay. And what does ascending means? Ascending means from smallest to largest. From smallest to largest. So, as we have done in our last classes, what we have to do? First, we will observe the digits in the hundreds place. Let me mark it for you. Here, in all the four numbers, we have 2 at hundreds place. So now what we have to do? Right, we have to check for tens place. So let's check for tens place. Here, again, in all the four numbers, we have 3 at tens place. So, what we have to do next? Yes, we have to check for ones place also. So, at ones place, we have 7, 8, 0 and 5. So, students, now I hope you can easily tell me that which number is smallest and which number is greatest. So, now tell me among 7, 8, 0 and 5, which number is smallest? Yes, 0. So, and after 0, 0 se bada, 5, 5 se bada, 7, 7 se bada, 8. So, 8 is greater than 7, is greater than 5, is greater than 0. So, the sequence will be 0, then 5, then 7 and then 8. So, by arranging these numbers in this sequence, what we will get? The smallest number will be 230, then 235, then 237 and at last the greatest number will be 238. Got it? So students, now let's take another example to understand how to arrange numbers in ascending order. So the first rule was, we will check out if all the numbers are having equal number of digits or not. तो यहाँ हम चेक करेंगे इन सभी नंबर्स में we are having 4 digits. सभी की 4 digits है तो हमें आगे नेक्स्ट रूल के लिए चेक करना पड़ेगा. अगर किसी नंबर की 3 डिजिट होती और बाकी नंबर्स की 4 डिजिट होती तो 3 डिजिट वाला नंबर स्मॉलेस्ट हो जाता, तो हमें उस नंबर के लिए और नहीं चेक करना पड़ता, सिर्फ बाकी नंबर्स के लिए चेक करना पड़ता. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्योंकि सभी नंबर्स पे 4 ही डिजिट्स हैं तो वी विल चेक फर्दर. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? We will do for thousands place first. Okay, so let's observe the digits at thousands place. Here we have 4, 1, 6, again 4 and again 6 at thousands place. Now, so the number 1526 has 1 at thousands place. Number 4376 and number 4987 has 4 at thousands place, and number 6215 and 6299 has 6 at thousands place. So what we can see here? 1 is less than 4 is less than 6. So 1 is the smallest number. So that's why the number 1526 will be the smallest number. Now 4 is less than 6, but we have 4 in 2 numbers at thousands place. So let's check for these two numbers, 4376 and 4987. In both the numbers we have 4 at thousands place. So what we have to do next? We have to check for hundreds place also. So here we can see we have 3 at hundreds place in 4376 and 9 at hundreds place in 4987. Now 3 is less than 9, so the number 4376 will be less than 4987. So in the sequence we will have 4376 at second place and 4987 at third place. Now let's check for last two numbers, 6299 and 6215. In the both number we have 6 at thousands place, and here at hundreds place also we have the same number 2. So what we have to do? Now we have to check for tens place also. So we have 1 at tens place in 6215 and 9 at tens place in 6299. Now 1 is smaller than 9, so 6215 will be smaller than 6299. So we will have 6215 at fourth place and 6299 at fifth place. So we have successfully arranged the frog so that number associated with them are in ascending order. So the smallest number will be 1526, then 4376, then 4987, then 6215, and the greatest number will be 6299. I hope now you can easily arrange the given numbers in ascending order by following some rules. So that's all for today's class. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.